Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today, we're making pineapple chicken. It's 4th of July weekend. We'll make some pineapple chicken. Get a couple chickens. I got this chicken for 99 cents a pound. It's pretty cheap. Get a couple of them, a couple pineapples. You can do it on any grill you want. We're using the Weber today. First thing, I'm gonna start with the pineapple. I'm gonna cut about a 1/4 inch into it at the base. Then we'll cut about 1 inch down from the top, about a 1/4 inch. Now we want to cut down to the bottom, to about where we cut it. Now you're going to want to run your hand underneath the skin so we can season the meat. Let some of that fat render out between the skin. We'll be seasoning this with our Perfect Poultry cranberry rub. It's really good. You can get these on our website, crackscountrycooking.com. There's also a link in the description. You want to put some in a separate bowl so you don't touch your seasoning with your dirty hand. So now this is upside down. Sprinkle some more seasoning between the skin and the meat. And work it in there with your hand. This cranberry herb rub has a nice fruity flavor, a lot of spices. It's really good on chicken, turkey. All right, there we go. Let's fire up the Weber. So I'm using the rotisserie attachment just for the height for the lid. I got charcoal. I put half a basket on the one side, unlit, and then the other half lit on this side. It'll slowly feed over to help control the temperatures better. We're going to do an offset. So the heat's over here. Put the exhaust over on this side. That'll allow it to cook more evenly. This thing looks really nice. All right, we'll check on this. All right, we'll check on this in about an hour. After an hour, gotta check on it. Looking good. Let this go for another 30 minutes. Chicken's hit 158 degrees. It's time to pull it, let it rest. It'll raise up a couple more degrees. Our KCC cranberry herb rub. Excellent rub, tastes great. It's got fruity notes to it. You can get this at our store. We'll ship it right to you. Once the chicken hit 158 degrees, we pulled it off the grill, let it rest for about 20 minutes. While that was resting, I grilled up some of the pineapple that we cut off, because who doesn't like grilled pineapple? All right, let's try it. Well, here it is. The thing looks incredible. Let's slice into it and try a piece of it. Let's cut into the breast here. Cut a piece off. Now it's time to give it a try. It's really good. It looks awesome. Crusty. That's really nice. There's nice fruity flavors to it. It's got a nice amount of salt in it. Highly recommend it. Well, that's it. Everybody have a good 4th of July. Don't forget, you can visit us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, of course, YouTube. You can go to our website, crackscountrycooking.com. You can get we have a whole bunch of rubs and seasonings on there. You can get, pretty sure all of them are gluten-free. We even have low sodium or no sodium on there. So, all right, see ya. Dinner time.